people of Mausinam area as well.
Deputy Chief Minister Ngau Bhalang Dhar on Wednesday told the Assembly that the government has conducted several studies to identify the key factors contributing to traffic congestion in Shillong City. While replying during the question hour, Dhar, who is in charge of urban affairs, said that these studies include the blueprint of Decongest Shillong designed by the Home Police Department in consultation with IIM Shillong and the Comprehensive Mobility Plan 2024 by Urban Affairs Department. He said that these studies reveal the following gaps in tackling traffic congestion like limited road width, increasing number of private vehicles and so on. Further, Dhar informed that the government is committed to balancing development with environmental sustainability.
Traffic congestion is a multi-pronged strategy also involving improvement of the existing urban spaces. These are the S and E. So the government has conducted through several studies to identify the key factors contributing to traffic congestion in Shillong City. These studies include the blueprint to decongest Shillong, designs by the Home Police Department in consultation with IIM Shillong, and the Comprehensive Mobility Plan 2024 by the Urban Affairs Department. And these studies reveal the following gaps in tackling traffic congestions.